how to transfer SHIB from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need the SHIB withdrawal address to get it from Phantom Wallet. So how to do that? So if you go to Phantom, just tap on search, and now search for SHIB. As you can see, this is it. Now after you tap on it, you want to be able to see the received copy, the withdrawal address. Now, how to be able to get the withdrawal address on SHIB? So for this moment, there is no solution, or there is no method to get that SHIB address from Phantom. Now there is another way, is by going to Bitget that we want to transfer from, and what we need to do in this step is by converting that SHIB to Solana, because Phantom is accept Solana in their wallet. So this is how we need to do it. So if you have enough SHIB or balance in your Bitget, just go to top left corner and tap on that square icon. Now after that, scroll down until you find convert. Now tap on it, and now as you can see, we need to convert SHIB to Solana to be able to send it to our Phantom wallet. Now search for SHIB and now tap on it. Now after that, go back and now to select Solana, as you can see. Now after that, transfer all of the balance that you have, because I don't have, I can't enter. Now if you have like 1,000, 100,000, 200,000, 1 million SHIB you want to convert it, just tap on it and you will be able to convert it on Sol. Now after you convert all of your SHIB to Sol, now we need to transfer the Sol coin from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. So how to do that? Just tap on assets. Now after that, from the top part, tap on spot and now tap on withdraw. And now as you can see here, search for the Solana and tap on it. Now after that, tap on on-chain withdrawal, and now as you can see, the network should be Solana, and the wallet address, as you can see, we need to go to Phantom Wallet to be able to get it. So how to do that? Just go to your Phantom Wallet and tap on it, and now after that, put your fingerprint on fingerprint reader on your phone. Now we need to get the Solana address. How to do that? Just tap on Solana, and now as you can see, tap on receive. Just wait some seconds, and as you can see, copy the address. Now go back to Bitget, and in the withdrawal address box, now paste this address, paste it here. Now in withdrawal amount, just type how much of Solana that you have, or you have convert your SHIB to your Solana. Now after that, as you can see, the fee is $2.28. Now if you are ready to go, just tap on withdraw and you will be able to transfer the SHIB that you converted to Solana from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.